Question number 1. Describe a situation where communication played a crucial role in your life. So, one of the situation where communication played a crucial role in my life is uh, my senior high school time when our teacher asked us uh, a group us to make a research paper. At that time, I was the leader, and and since I'm not very sociable with my classmates, I did the work alone. And as time goes by, the research paper, making the research paper began to become harder and harder to finish because of the lack of information needed and the lack of time. But the lack of time. And since I know, and at the time that I know that I can finish the research paper, I decided to communicate with my group and ask them to help. And because of what, because of that, because of that, without teamwork, we have successfully finished our research paper and able to present it as a group. Question number 2. How did communication, verbal, non-verbal, written, or digital affect the outcome? So since I asked my teammate for help in our research paper, we were able to finish it successfully. And and much easier than when I did it alone. Question number 3. What did you learn about yourself as a communicator from this experience? So, I have learned as a communicator, eh, based on this experience, as a communicator, I have learned that if you are in a team, it's best to ask for help when things are hard, when So I have learned that if you're in a team or group, it's best to ask for help when doing things because it will be much easier as it when unlike when you are doing it alone. Question number 4. What communication skill do you want to improve during this course? During this course, I want to improve my approach on other and how I share my ideas, learning the different way of approaching others in a right way, and to be skillfully able to talk in a different manner.